welcome to the other video of Triple X Master. So, the real reason that the cars don't want to start because it's the gas pump. So this is the fuel pump gas that is broken on my other truck, Dodge 2006. You can tell it's broken right here. So yeah, it's really broken. So I had to buy a new one and get it replaced. Well, this is the one that we took out. The mechanics took it out from my other truck. So yeah, it's kind of dirty right here. And this is the other side. And the wheel reason that it doesn't want to start is because it broke. I don't know if you can hear the noises that you can, like, when you turn the keys, you can, like, or whatever noises you make. So yeah, it's a gas pump. So you have to buy a new one. So we bought a new one already, and it's at the mechanic shop. So yeah, that's the one that goes inside the gas pump. So that's why you don't want to start. So you had to get a new one. So we will replace this one again because it broke that one too. This was a 2006 Dodge Hemi. My other one is 1500 and this one's 2500, so the same thing. So we had our fix with this one because it broke or whatever. I don't know why. But so yeah, guys. So the real reason that it doesn't want to turn on if you're having troubles because you have to buy a new one, new gas pump. Okay, so this is how it looks like. That goes inside the tank, gas tank or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Hola. Soy yo un Triple X Master y es una pompa de gas que parece los carros no quieren prender cuando no dan la llave, no quieren prender bien. Cuando escuchas un ruido que va algo así, porque necesita un pompa de gas nuevo. Así se ve, pompa de gas. El mecánico, dejamos con el mecánico y por eso no prenden los carros porque necesita uno nuevo. No, pues, thank you guys for watching. Gracias por ver, like y comment. Bye.